Have you ever experienced anxiety creeping in and literally making it hard for you to breathe? You're definitely not alone. And the good news is there are simple meditative breath techniques from Kundalini Yoga that anyone can do to help calm the mind and body quickly. You don't need any special skills or experience. Just a few focused breath techniques can reset your nervous system and help you feel more grounded. So in this video, I'm going to share 3 easy Kundalini breath techniques that you can start using right now, anytime anxiety starts to take over. The first practice is called meditation for a calm heart. Sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor. Place your left hand over the center of your chest. This is the heart chakra. Raise your right hand in front of you, at the shoulder height, with the palm facing forward. Touch your right thumb to your index finger. Close your eyes. Touch your right thumb to your index fingertip. Close your eyes. Inhale fully and hold your breath in as long as it feels comfortable. And then exhale completely and suspend the breath out for as long as comfortable. You'll continue to do this for 3 to 11 minutes, but honestly, even 1 minute can help. This meditation relieves anxiety, promotes calmness, and mental clarity, strengthens your lungs and heart, also helps you to feel more at peace in your relationships. This second technique is wonderful when you feel uncertainty or fear about what's ahead, fear of the future. Rest the back of your left hand in the palm of your right. Left hand, right hand. Place your right thumb over the palm of the left hand and then cross your left thumb over the right thumb. Then curl the fingers of the right hand gently around the outside of the left. It's very cozy holding the hands this way. Signals the brain and the heart that everything is okay and you can relax now. Place this right in the very center of your chest, over the heart, and then allow the breath to slow naturally. Close your eyes and you can listen to a mantra of your choice or just simply sit and rest in silence. Stay here for 3 to 11 minutes, breathing deep and slow. And when you're ready to finish, inhale deeply and relax. And that's it. It's very simple and works immediately. The third and last one in this video to show you are a powerful set of segmented breath patterns that you can choose from depending how you want to feel. 4 parts in, 1 part out, healing, energizing, and uplifting. 4 parts in, 4 parts out, clarity, alertness, and stimulates your entire glandular system, the guardians of your health. 8 parts in, 8 parts out. This is calming and centering. Notice these are short sniffs in and out. Eight parts in, 4 parts out, focusing and energizing. And then finally, 4 parts in, 8 parts out, which is unblocking and releasing. You can practice any of these techniques, any of these segmented breath patterns for 3 to 11 minutes apiece. These patterns are going to work directly on your nervous system, your brain chemistry, and most importantly, your emotional balance, helping you reset and feel grounded again. Remember, your breath is one of the most powerful tools that you have for shifting your mind and body. And if you'd like to experience Kundalini yoga and meditation more deeply, you're very welcome. I warmly invite you to join me in person at the Kundalini Sanctuary here in Las Vegas, or from anywhere in the world through our YouTube channel at the Kundalini Sanctuary. So subscribe, turn on the notifications, and let's keep breathing together. Sat Nam.